talk about a strategy used for multi-digit multiplication called partial products. When we use partial products to solve a multiplication equation, we can set it up like a traditional long multiplication equation, as shown below. Let's start with 35 times 4. Just like traditional multiplication, we multiply the ones digit of the second factor first. So in this case, there is only one digit in the second factor. So we first multiply 5 times 4, which makes 20. We're going to put 20 here. And we'll also write on the side, that was 4 times 5. Now this is where the partial products differs in this strategy. We write the whole 20, unlike traditional long multiplication where we would use the carry-in method. Next, we're going to multiply 4 by the tens digit of the first factor, which is here. So this, we're going to use the tens factor, so it's going to be 4 times 30, which gives us 120. Now that we've taken care of our multiplication, we just need to add our products up in order to make the final product. So in this example, the 20 plus 120 equals 140. There you go. So 35 times 4 equals 140. Let's try another problem with two double-digit numbers. Let's do 14 times 27. The first multiplication we're going to do, again, is multiply the 7 times 4. We're multiplying this first factor and this first factor. That gives us 28. Next, we multiply this factor in the ones column and this factor in the tens column. So that's going to be 7 times 10, which gives us 70. Next, we're going to multiply the second factor in the tens column and the first factor in the ones column. That's going to give us 20 times 4, which gives us 80. Now, we're going to multiply this second factor and this second factor, which is going to be 20 times 10, which gives us 200. Now we're going to add up all of our products here. So 28 plus 70 plus 80 plus 200. That gives us 378. So when you do 14 times 27 equals 378. Thanks for watching.